Hello beautiful devs, welcome back. In this video we will get a complete overview that what we are going to do and what will be our target. So our inspiration is this website hamariweb.com. I will not go into lot more details of different websites. We are focusing on this website and we will try to create a website similar to this website hopefully. Where you can see that there are different sections, although we will not focus news because we don't have employees to update news on daily basis, so we will focus on some other sections. So here you can see we have articles, names, dictionary, health, woman, Islam, and in the more section we have a lot of other things like blog, weather, dictionary, quotes, poetry, etc. As you can see that this website is a very nice website, and it's you can see different articles here in English, in Urdu, and beautiful website. Although for specific Urdu handwriting or Arabic handwriting, which we are creating from right to left, we can create some RTL websites as well, but indeed this website is not fully a right to left website. It is just a English website. You can see the menus are in English and a lot of other things, like if you will go into detail to certain menus, you will find a lot of articles which are in English, so we don't need Urdu focused style. Okay, so we can create this type of site with only left to right style, no issues. So here you can see that if we click here on Hamari Web, you can see that some ads are appearing here on the top, and also on the other sections as well. For example, if you click on certain articles, you will see some ads from Google here as well. Hopefully you can see these are the ads from the Google, and with these ads these sites are earning a lot of money. Definitely there are various other ways as well in terms of earning monies like advertisements and other things, but from only ads you will see that how much this earning this site can earn. So here we have a similar web where we have analyzed the hamariweb.com, and you can see that hamariweb.com is initiated in 2007 and it has a global rank of around 8,804 globally, which is very high rank. And then you can see that total visits in a month are, in the last month it has 9.6 million visits. And here you can see that if we analyze the amount earning, you can see that 9.6 million views. And if we go to the Google, if we just type there, I think there will be earning mention somewhere here in the similar web. If not, then no issue. We can just say here in Google that on 10 million visitors, how much earning Google will pay. So here you can see how much money does a YouTube okay, sorry, this is the YouTube. How much money do you get per, okay, 10 million views AdSense earning on website. Although AdSense earning for website and YouTube is similar, almost similar, but you can see that we have the result here. So you can see that it is saying that if we have 360 million yearly only the impressions, then we will earn 120,000 means $120,000 only on the impressions. So in our case if we calculate this thing amount, for example, for Pakistan, it is showing this is actually the minimum amount, I think so. So let's paste it, and in Pakistani rupees or your own country rupees, and you can see that it is around 3 crore and 30 lakh something. Okay, so which is very big amount. So if you will just calculate it monthly, you will earn enough money, around $75,000, I think so. So you can earn easily. Okay, so in this way you saw that with websites we can earn a lot of money. And now the thing is that what technologies are behind the scenes. So if we right click here and if we go to inspect, you'll see that this site is using a basic HTML. You can see here the HTML code, and in the styles you can see the CSS code. Here you can see CSS. Okay, and definitely other technologies. If you will go to console, you will see some JavaScript code as well, and a lot of other technologies are used for this creating this website. Okay, so we will now analyze that how we can learn. And in this course, if you don't know any code, you can follow along and you will create a nice website like this without any code. But at least we should know that behind the scene what is going on. Okay, so for the website development, there are two type of developers: front end developers and back end developers. So for front end developer, if you want to become a front end developer, you have to learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript. That's it. So these three languages you should know. And if you want to become a back end developer, so for that back end developer you should know some other languages like Bootstrap. Strap is a library for CSS, and some popular control systems as well. Along with, you have to learn PHP or Python. So you can choose Python or PHP, but I will recommend PHP. And then SQL for the databases. Okay, so these websites, whenever we create certain website, that website has a database. You can see the posts here or any other content that is coming from the database. That content is saved in the database. Okay, and with the technologies like HTML, CSS and PHP, that content is visible in a good manner to the viewers. Okay, so for the front end you have to learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and for the back end you can learn PHP and SQL as well. So here you can see that we have this nice website w3schools.com, and this is very nice website. So when I start learning web development, I choose this website and I learn everything approximately from this website. So here on this website you can see, you will find out the HTML tutorials, CSS tutorials, JavaScript, SQL, other languages as well. Okay, so whatever language you want to learn, you can choose that language and just go on. Okay, so now we will see that how we will build our website. We will not use any of these technologies, and we will not code by ourselves. Indeed, we will use a certain CMS system. Just tell you that what CMS is. So if we type CMS, you can see that CMS is actually the content management system. Okay, so there are a lot of other things as well here. So I will just type here content management system, and you can see that we have lot of content management systems. Okay, here you can see WordPress, Joomla, and Sitecore and Magento, and lot of other CMS system. CMS system is a system in which we can control our website through the dashboard, simply without any code, without any know-how about the programming. We can create a very effective and very powerful website like Hamari Web or any other beautiful website in the web, on the web. Okay, so these are a lot of the CMS systems. On the top of the CMS system we have the Joomla and the WordPress. So these two CMS systems are most commonly used CMS system in the world, and the WordPress is a CMS system which is the on the website on the web world, around 45% of websites are built with the WordPress. So it is the most commonly used CMS system in the world. So we will utilize the WordPress, and in the next video we will learn about the WordPress, that what WordPress is and how we will use the WordPress